up, everyone? So for today we are going to be doing something really fun, and that involves one thing and one tool only. Oh yeah, it's cutting time, and you know cutting time is also dangerous time, so wear safety protection when doing this. You will see me, and I will be wearing a lot of stuff because I don't want to lose a hand or eyeball. Items used today: pair of glasses, a shield, because this is not going to stop a cutoff blade going 100 miles an hour into your face. So 2 pieces of plastic might. Cutoff blades and a beautiful cutoff wheel, angle grinder, whatever you want to call it. Brand doesn't really matter, but it's up to you. This is what we are going to be installing on my beautiful 240 SX. We're going to be using my lines that I drew as a template. This template shows the border of the vent, and then here is the line I'm going to be cutting. Pretty simple. I measured about 1 inch in from where the edge was to give me a big enough hole but still enough space. Here it is gonna be a good time. So I'm gonna alright people, let's get to cutting. No going back now. We got it! Now doesn't that look cool? Alright people, so I am now about to rivet this bad boy down, and yeah, I bought a rivet gun for about like $15 from hardware store, and I'm gonna put 4 on each side. I'm about to measure and see what distance and where they're gonna go. So this thing is about 7 inches apart. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright. One down, a few more to go. shouldn't take too long. You'll see the finished project here in a sec. So yeah, this was my first time riveting, and it's pretty easy, so don't get scared. Just cut the hole, go a little smaller than bigger first. You can always, cut more out if you need to. But yeah, so got those 4 done edges. Now I'm gonna do the spots that I marked, and yeah, you guys are gonna see that. All right, let's get drilling. Doesn't that look nice? This front one's easy. Alright, so I'm out of rivets. I am going to put a few more in the back, but so far this thing looks pretty good. I'm happy. So there you go. That is how you install a hood vent on your car. This applies to anything. The vent probably won't fit. Depends on the car. You got something nice and flat, should probably work. But there's vents out there for everything. That's how you cut. That's how you rivet. And that's how you make something look sweet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.